like this song "Life Imitates Life" by Quannnic. Uh, I like it. It's got a recording of people like I guess these are the software developers of Guitar Hero, and it's got like sound clips of them like doing like mundane stuff. And then the key to this song is the tuning. Okay, so the tuning is C. That's your low E. Is now two whole notes down to C. A, which is now going to be F. This is the F. And then it's your D string, it's now a B. And we can play our regular power chords. We're just gonna play on the low three strings. So like this is like a E minor power chord. Now it's C minor. F. A power chord. We can do A. Yes, it sounds to me like they're playing all with the six string root. E, F, G, A. Okay, those are the shapes you're going to use. All right, so the whole key of that song is the alternate tuning. And we're just going to play power chords on the low three strings. All right, thanks for it. That request. Have fun playing it. Bye.